Never trust words. Some people have sugar on their lips, but venom in their hearts. Only 3 types of people tell the truth: kids, the drunk, and the angry. The pain of regret is so much worse than the pain of the hustle. An apology without changed behavior is just manipulation. A lot of problems in the world would disappear if we talked to each other instead of about each other. Common sense is not a gift, it's a punishment because you have to deal with everyone who doesn't have it. Do not be wise in your own eyes. A man always suffers the pain who has the habit of doing good to all. Life and time are the best teachers. Life teaches us the use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. If you can't see a clear path, create one. Sometimes having no friends indicates that you have more time to be with yourself and focus on your own growth, so don't worry about it. Luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hand. Your decision can make luck, but luck can't make your decision, so always trust yourself. To live happily, don't be shy at 4 things: expressing gratitude, apologizing, sincerely asking for advice, showing affection,